1. What is the tallest mountain in the world? A. Elakiri. B. Everest. C. Kilimanjaro. D. Annapurna. The correct answer is B. Everest. 2. How many continents are there on Earth? A. 6. B. 5. C. 7. D. 8. The correct answer is C. 7. 3. Who invented the electric bulb? A. Newton. B. Edison. C. Tesla. D. Franklin. The correct answer is B. Edison. 4. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Pluto. D. Mars. The correct answer is A. Mercury. 5. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Pound. B. Euro. C. Franc. D. Dollar. The correct answer is A. Pound. 6. In which country is the Great Barrier Reef located? A. New Zealand. B. South Africa. C. Australia. D. Canada. The correct answer is C. Australia. 7. The process of water turning into vapor is called A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Precipitation. D. Sublimation. The correct answer is A. Evaporation. 8. What does DNA stand for? A. Digital nucleic acid. B. Deoxyribonucleic acid. C. Dual nitrogen acid. D. Deoxyribogenetic acid. The correct answer is B. Deoxyribonucleic acid. 9. What is the universal donor blood group? A plus. B O plus. C O minus. D A minus. The correct answer is C O minus. 10. In which part of the plant does photosynthesis occur? A. Stem. B. Leaf. C. Root. D. Flower. The correct answer is B. Leaf. 11. What is the national animal of India? A. Tiger. B. Elephant. C. Lion. D. Peacock. The correct answer is A. Tiger. 12. Which city is nicknamed the Big Apple? A. Chicago. B. Los Angeles. C. New York. D. Boston. The correct answer is C. New York. 13. Who wrote The Origin of Species? A. Newton. B. Darwin. C. Mendel. D. Stephen Hawking. The correct answer is B. Darwin. 14. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Go. B. G. C. O. D. AG. The correct answer is C. Oh. 15. How many bones are there in the adult human body? A. 206. B. 201. C. 210. D. 208. The correct answer is A. 206. 16. What is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Horse. C. Lion. D. Leopard. The correct answer is A. Cheetah. 17. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? A. Liver. B. Brain. C. Heart. D. Lungs. The correct answer is C. Heart. 18. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is D. Nitrogen. 19. Who wrote the Harry Potter book series? A. Suzanne Collins. B. J.K. Rowling. C. Tolkien. D. Rick Riordan. The correct answer is B. J.K. Rowling. 20. What is the square root of 64? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. The correct answer is C. 8.